To start off this practice, let's go ahead and come into child's pose, spreading the fingers out wide along the mat, letting your hips press back towards the heels. Gently rest your forehead onto the mat as you take a few breaths, allowing the shoulders to fall closer away from the ears. And then slowly walk the hands over to your left side, stacking your right over your left, shifting the weight of the hips over to your right side. Take about 3 to 5 breaths here. Feeling that opening from the back of the rib all the way through the shoulder before moving to the other side. Whenever you're ready, slowly come back to center and roll yourself up into a tabletop position. Now from here, make sure that your wrists are stacked under your shoulders, knees are parallel to the wrist. Let's move through cat-cow. So on your inhale, pressing the belly through, looking forward. As you exhale, you're rounding the spine, allowing your chin to look towards between your thighs. You inhale, pressing the belly through for cow, and then exhale as you round the spine for cat. You can begin to speed up this pace, doing about 2 to 3 more rounds, or you can keep the pace that you're at currently before coming back into a neutral position. From here, you're going to slowly press the left hand down as you reach the right arm up high, looking up towards the sky. And then as you exhale, you're going to slide that arm through, threading the needle. Option here to extend the left arm all the way out in front of you along the top of the mat. Make sure that the weight is in the shoulder and not the head. Slowly bring that left arm back, reach the right arm up, and then come down into your tabletop. Shake it out if you need to, and then moving to the other side. Make sure that the tops of the feet stay in contact with the mat. If you'd like, you can keep the same arm variation or take a half bind, wrapping your hand around the small of your low back, making that little crease in towards the top of the thigh. And then slowly releasing, taking that hand, pressing it into the mat, reaching the left arm up, and coming back into a tabletop position. Go ahead and shake it out. From here, we're going to transition into puppy pose, extending your hands out in front of you, relaxing your chest towards the mat, and your forehead is going to come into the mat. Now, if you want a little more of a challenge, you can look up, allowing your chin to fall closer towards the mat. If this is too much for you, you can lift the chest, taking your forearms to the mat, and then relaxing your head back down. Again, keep those hips lifted and take a few breaths. From here, you're going to slowly release and come back into your tabletop position. Bring the knees and the feet together. Sit back on the heels. Reach the arms high above the sky. And then press your hands down towards your heart center. You have now sealed your practice. Namaste.